Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are covering the top Nifty 50 movers and key market levels to watch. If you enjoy this analysis, please hit the like button and subscribe for daily stock market updates. Now let us get started. HDFC Bank jumped over 2% as Nifty touched 24,334 rupees, holding strong near resistance. Here are the exact numbers straight from NSE in the next 6 minutes. You'll see which stocks moved the market, why, and the crucial levels to track. The index opened at 24,127 rupees 6, ran up to a high of 24,367 rupees 3, and pulled back to a low of 24,099 rupees 05, before settling at 24,334 rupees 3, versus a previous close of 24,072 rupees 75. Technically, the short-term picture is mildly constructive. EMA9 at 24,147 rupees sits above EMA20 at 24,069 rupees, and RSI 14 equals 62. 5 reads neutral, not wildly extended but tilted bullish. Volume printed as 0-20-day AVG, which the feed flags as normal activity. Key levels: resistance around 24,531 rupees and support near 24,011 rupees. Note the index is trading within about 1.1% of its 52-week high at 26,373 rupees 2, so this zone has been a strong historical resistance area. On flows, FIIs have net sold for 3 straight sessions, while DIIs absorbed it for 4. That tug-of-war matters for next week's momentum. If Nifty holds above the EM, a cluster near 24,069 rupees 24,147 rupees, that keeps the shorter trend intact. Drop the stock you're watching in the comments. I read everyone. Kotak Mahindra opened at 1540 rupees 0 and closed at 1572 rupees 9, up 4.14%, with an intraday high of 1585 rupees 0 and low of 1527 rupees 3. Previous close was 1510 rupees 3. The move looks driven by heavy participation. Volume was 4.26, the 20-day average, and the stock cleared a 20-day closing high. That's textbook price discovery territory. Technicals are loud. RSI 14 equals 78. 9, which is overbought, and EMA9 at 1489 rupees sits above EMA20 at 1454 rupees, so the short bias is upward. The key level to watch is resistance at 1585 rupees and support around 1453 rupees. How the price behaves near those marks will say a lot. Fun fact, Kotak Mahindra is only 0.8% from its 52-week high. The chart is basically asking for a photograph. As always, this is market observation. Verify with your advisor before any decision. Next up is a software giant that kept the momentum alive. But the biggest surprise today is still ahead. Here's why. Tata Consultancy Services opened at 2224 rupees 8 and ended at 2269 rupees 0, up 3.09%, with a high of 2275 rupees 0 and a low of 2215 rupees 1. Previous close was 2201 rupees 0. The move shows momentum. The stock hit a 20-day closing high and is in price discovery territory, with EMA9 at 2163 rupees above EMA20 at 2136 rupees. RSI 14 equals 76. 9 flags overbought conditions, yet volume was roughly 1 the 20-day average, so this looks like steady buying rather than a blow-off. The level to watch tomorrow is resistance near 2275 rupees and support around 2145 rupees. Also note it's about 11.5% below its 52-week high of 3287 rupees 16, set 63 sessions ago. Plenty of room on that long-term chart. Sarcastic moment. Tata Consultancy Services sitting at RSI 76.9, that's not a software update. That's a crowd asking for a breather. Keep in mind this is educational analysis, not a recommendation. Coming up next, a bank that quietly woke up today. Kotak Mahindra Bank opened at 377 rupees 5 and closed at 389 rupees 95, up 3.57%, with an intraday high of 391 rupees 8 and low of 375 rupees 7. Previous close was 376 rupees 5. There was no clear trigger identified today in the raw data, but the tape shows a measured bounce as the stock trades about 5.6% below its 52-week high of 452 rupees 42 set 16 sessions ago. Technicals are mixed. RSI 14 equals 57. 8 is neutral, while EMA9 at 382 rupees sits below EMA20 at 386 rupees, hinting at a short-term bearish tilt despite the daily gain. Volume was 1.02, the 20-day average essentially normal participation. Watch the support at 389 rupees and resistance at 404 rupees. If the 389 rupees zone holds, that's the next domestic test to observe. Dry joke. Kotak Mahindra Bank's EMA9 at 382 rupees ducked under EMA20 at 386 rupees. The moving averages went out for a cigarette and came back plotting. That wraps the market movers I want to flag for you today. Today's theme: cautious, momentum-led gains led by large-cap tech and a selective banking bounce, while the index trades close to a key 52-week resistance zone. Top 2 things to watch tomorrow: whether Nifty can stay above the EM9 EM20 cluster near 24,069 rupees 24,147 rupees, and how Tech Mahindra behaves around 1585 rupees and Kotak Mahindra Bank around 389 rupees 404 rupees. If you found this useful, like the video, drop the stock you're watching in the comments and subscribe for weekly market recaps. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Please consult a SEBI-registered financial advisor before making any investment decisions.